So today's launch day. The rocket's ready to go. The motor's been secured with 4 screws just around the centering ring there, and then in the payload bay itself, cut out into 2 pieces. So you've got the cone and the bay itself, and then inside, very thin strip of plastic which is glued on the inside all the way down. That way when I put the payload inside, I can put it in like this, and then put the nose cone and then tape it up, and then I'll hold it securely. The payload today will be an Arduino altimeter that I built myself, powered by 4 AAA batteries. And let's go and launch this thing. Yeah, the rocket ready to go. It's mounted on the tripod there, and the connectors are wired up, and we've got the payload there, the altimeter, and I'm just waiting for the wind to come down and give it a run.
2, 1.
So we're walking up the hill to try and find the rocket. I've also got some mates on their motorcycles riding up to the top of the hill to try and find it. If we don't get it back, it's fine. If we get it back, it'll be cool. That way we can get the altimeter data from the micro SD card. So we found the rocket. It's all in good condition. I got help from my mates there in the background with their bikes. See, really good condition. I'll just reassemble it temporarily. We'll go home and check out the altimeter data. And that is how you launch a homemade rocket. Thanks for watching.